Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to write more Python API tests to the Spring Boot microservices that we've done, and we are just going to follow basically the same thing here, right? So the first test that I probably want to take a look at is all products, and this is all the products that we see on the website. We want to be able to get all the products without authentication. So let's get started in the thing, and I think I need to start the service. So I'll start the service and then we will start writing the test. All right, so we've got the Docker running, and then we've got the Docker Compose app, and then on top of that we've got the services also running. So all my services are up running, no problem. Then we also I just want to double check something because I did make a quick change here. Yeah, so and then once that is started, we are in good shape, really. Okay, so we just go back to where we were. So we want to make sure that we do a get all products call in our automation, in our Python automation. Oh, I didn't get this one started. All right, in our Python automation. So this is very easy to set up your environment for your Python automation. You just create a project like so. You create a new project, and I've got my project stored in the Python directory, and then you give the project a name here and you click on create, and then you've got it there. And I'm just kind of like starting from scratch. I showed you in the last video that came across our website, which tells you quite a few things what to do and stuff like that, which I am following and doing. So this video, then let's go back to this one. This video is to get all the products, a function to get all the products. And to get started, I'm gonna say we are going to write a function. We're not gonna import anything until we need it. We're going to write a function which gets products. It gets all the products, and we basically created a file, which is a folder, and then a file that say get product, because this file I'm hoping to do all the function to do with the get product. So get all products, and then get products, anything for searching, anything like that, we're gonna have to put, or I might create another file. It really depends on how I feel. Okay, so let's get a URL. The URL, let's create a base URL for all our, let's put it here, just copy that and put it here. So we got a base URL, and we are going to say URL is equals to this base URL, and then of course if we go back here, we've got an endpoint. So this is a base URL, but we got an endpoint which is which follows the get product. So I think, hold up, so this is the URL. So I think all the products will get this one. And for the get URL, we are going to take this, let's take this one. Yeah, so we take this one and we say, right, take it like this, and okay, then we are, what is this thing? Okay, then we are going to say headers. The header for this one is equals to accept let's put it into double quotes. And application /JSON. So this is the header. Then we are going to get a response, put the response into this variable, take this variable, and we are going to do request. Now we should be able to import this now. So I didn't want to import it until there was a need to, and we say get. We are using the get, and then the get method, and then we are saying URL is equals to this is equals to URL, and then we are setting the headers is equals to header. That's the headers that we set up there, and then I mean that's it really for that one. And then because we're just doing a quick get, let's get a variable to store the response. So we get a variable to store the response, and then we want to, let's assert that things are okay. We are asserting that things are okay. Dot status code is equal to 200 because our status code is 200. So you say it's okay 200, and then let's just print it. Let's just print so we are getting all the products, and we want to once we've done the status, let's put it into a variable. Let's put the JSON into a variable, the JSON that we just collect into a variable, so we can make it look nice. Otherwise, you know, let's not bother. Let me show you without it what is JSON which one, data. That's the JSON data over there. So we're just gonna print the JSON data. Let's get this method, and let's paste this method here. Let's go here, oops, come down a bit, and I think let's give it a try. Let's do current. There's an error. All right, so the error here is that it says it seems to be a connection refuse error. I can't understand why, because I've got all the servers running. So let's take a look at it here. So in here, let's see if we have any problem. And there is cannot connect to the server, so it means the product server is not running. Let's take a look at the backend. So gateway is not running. I forgot to start the gateway. I've started the product service, but because I always do the gateway last, I tend to forget sometimes. So let's do this one. Oh, there seems to be a problem. I need to fix this and get back. So I didn't want to prolong it, but there was a quick error here. I don't know why sometimes. Anyway, so let's see if we can get the gateway started. I just needed to import. Everything was fine. I don't know why sometimes it goes like that. Sometimes you don't do anything to it and then it messes up like that. So let's hope we can get this one started. All right, so there shouldn't be any problems with connection reviews. Let's do a quick one here, and it should return nothing, which is good, because there's nothing in the products thingy, which means whenever we want to do a full get, we need to make sure that we create the products, right? So we come back to that one, but let's run this and make sure that it runs. We just want easy get products. We get nothing for now, so I'm going to get some products onto the server, and then well, it will be on the next video. So basically that's what you do to run. This is a spelling mistake. That's what you do to get all the products, and there's nothing wrong here. We just need some data. Okay, thank you for coming back to my channel. See you in the next round.